This is the Mukkpet Suburban. Let's open it up and find out what's inside. Oh, we've got one seat. I'll put that to the side. A bag with looks like a user manual, pedals, that sort of thing. I'll put that aside. Let's cut open the box and find out what's inside. Also at the bottom of the box, I found a charging brick in a box. Now it's just a question of getting all the packing off it. Feels heavy, could be the battery. Okay, so I'm just gonna mount the front wheel. I'm just gonna finger tighten both sides here, and then I'm gonna cut off the fender and the plastic piece here, and then we're gonna flip the bike back over the top and put the handlebars on. Kickstand down. Mounting the handlebars is simple. We're just gonna unscrew these 4 bolts here and mount the handlebar nice and centered. There are Allen keys in the pouch, but I'm gonna cheat a little. Next up, I'm gonna put the front mudguard on. Then it's gonna be a rack at the back. There is a wire that's coming from the back light. Somehow that's gonna get to up here. I'll read the instructions and find out how that works. Alrighty, I found it. It's underneath here. You just have to line up the arrows. Seat. That wasn't dramatic. Looks like a comfy seat. Put the battery on. Oh, and the light at the front too. Turn it on, let's see what happens. Power it on. And it powers up. I'm gonna tighten everything up and then take it for a spin. But that was a pretty straightforward unboxing. They also shipped me a front rack basket, so I'm gonna be mounting that, and you'll see that when I'm riding around doing the full review coming soon.